Yep, welcome back to the channel. Now that all the craziness is over and car shows are actually happening again, as you can see, there's some new additions. But yeah, it's time to resume posting. It's going to be a bit of an odd posting this time because this video is going to be on Damien's Delorean and a bunch of little snippets for DMA, which is the Delorean Mid-Atlantic Car Club. But yeah, welcome back, and I hope you guys enjoy. So it doesn't look it, but it's like 5 in the morning. What time is it actually? 6? 6:04. Here's Damien.
Lock it down and go.
We're going to some thing in New Jersey. I have my own reservations about it. That trailer's nice.
I told you.
Derek has outdone himself here. Super nice trailer.
Derek might not get it back.
I know. I need to get one for my Tesla now. Dude, that tongue is... What is wrong with that? Oof, we might not make it there. Anyways, as you guys know, this is the thing that we've been working on. I haven't really posted much in any videos at all as we work on this one, but he's gotten most of it done, supposedly. But
new tires.
Yeah, you take that to a shop. Anyways.
Somebody had to pay for it.
So yeah, we're totally gonna look like clowns with
it's gonna look awesome.
I mean, it looks awesome. I'll give you that. As usual, I get stuck doing the work here. Works. Anyways, we're inside A-Team. It's still a work in progress. This is more or less where he sleeps. Over there is where he keeps the tools. But on a serious note, I also have figured out where I'm gonna die, or how I'm gonna die when we roll over here. And
if you see no more videos, it had nothing to do with me.
Right. At least the cup holder works. Anyways, I'm here having flashbacks of how loud this thing is.
What?
We are still far as hell. And yeah.
Keeping track of stupid things people say today. Before we even left, a dude goes, "Those are rare." I was like, really?
Just in case you're wondering how people crash, here you go. We're hitting that 10-minute window that slowly keeps creeping away from us. Cannot wait to get some soothing beverage to ease the pain of my throat from hollering for the past 2.5 hours in here.
It's a tad bit loud.
Just a tad. I hope the phone noise suppression is doing a good job.
Yeah, you probably can't hear it at all.
Because then I'm going to have to fix that while I edit the video.
Add the sound.
Make it a voiceover, or lips don't match, or what we speak.
Just hang the camera out the window with it down.
You've arrived at your destination.
We sure have.
Yay!
Without any problems. Where'd those other door ends go? They're back there.
All Miller Porsche. That's back there, no?
Yeah, we're going to the service.
Look, Taycan or whatever. I was looking at that. It's like 120 grand for a nice
electric
one. Yeah.
Oh, they got a car wash here. We can just run the whole trailer and everything right through.
I just make sure that, yeah, park against the back wall. You see that? Nice. Anyways. I'm amazed at the Porsche guys. They're not freaking out about you driving in here with a trailer. You're already getting stank eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we have arrived.
We made it. It didn't die.
I do have to say though that is the most amount of DeLoreans I've seen together. So, anyways, we have arrived. There's a very nice time machine over there, and Damien's about to back it out of the trailer. Oh, hey, fired up nice. I'll give it that. Now don't back up into the Porsche. You're gonna put it with the lineup?
What?
Are you gonna put it with the lineup? That's second gear. Here, Damien and I are having executive decisions
On his YouTube.
on my YouTube channel. Anyway, I guess it is worth it since I do every now and then add some DeLorean content to it to maybe document.
And roof and grass and plumbing projects and solar panels and
Tesla Model Y performance,
right, and
solar
Tesla,
panels,
right.
everything. Just life.
the Grand
Just
National,
document life.
The Grand National content has died unless it's my car.
Nah, I already told you. I'm gonna bite the bullet with a shitty Buick vendors and get it done. But hey,
One time machine showed up, fully done.
actually I have video of that. I'll do like a little. I'll probably do the intro with it.
Insert piece here.
Like, I should do some like up close footage of it.
Man, that one next to it, the cracked windshield right next to it, the nicest one here.
Oh, Damien.